calculation of a resistance matrix, then a conductance matrix for the given circuit, M-terminal, 3-terminal circuit in our case. So let me start from a calculation of R21 for calculation of a component of a resistance matrix describing this circuit. Let me recall a relationship that relates voltages, outputs, and currents, inputs. So this is our circuit. In a block diagram we have two inputs, two outputs, and then we have, after killing the source, we have four resistances describing this circuit. Actually 3, because R12 is equal R21. Our task is to find R21, and R21, it is U sub 2 divided by I sub 1 for I sub 2 equal 0 for this terminal shorted with the reference 1, and also for EO2 equals 0, which means that for all sources killed for this source shorted. This is our circuit. A voltage source is shorted, and our input 1 amp current connected between 0 and 1. This is our current I sub 1, and then R21 is simply voltage U sub 2 in this circuit, and this voltage obviously is 2.4 volt. It is voltage across two resistors connected in parallel, 4 ohm and 6 ohm resistance. Now, nearly the same circuit as before. The only difference is that now we have this resistance here, and our task is to find a conductance G11. This is a conductance as seen between 1 and 0 for 2 shorted with 0. Then, at first, we have to recall this formula that relates. Now our outputs are currents and our inputs are voltages, as this circuit is described by its conductance matrix. And then conductance that we are looking for, it is a ratio of I sub 1 to U sub 1 for U sub 2 equals 0, which means for this terminal shorted, and sources killed, which means for I sub 1 equals 0, which means that we have a short circuit here. So a circuit for calculation of G11 is circuit with 1 volt connected between terminal 1 and 0 and terminal 2 shorted with 0, as we want U sub 2 equals 0, and obviously our source should be killed. I mean, terminals of a voltage source should be shorted. And now our output, this current, it is a voltage divided by this resistance. This resistance is 4 ohm, 4 ohm in parallel, 6 ohm is shorted, then resistance is 2 ohm, conductance is 0.5 Siemens. And that way we have completed calculations for this conductance.